बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स एंड व्यूअर्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल डिजिटल लर्नर पॉइंट्स। आज की इस वीडियो में हम स्टैट 301 के असाइनमेंट नंबर 1 सॉल्व करेंगे। इसके टोटल तीन क्वेश्चन हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आपका ज्योमेट्रिक मीन से रिलेटेड है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आपका हार्मोनिक मीन से रिलेटेड है, और जो आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है वो फिफ्थ डिसाइल की कैलकुलेशन से रिलेटेड है। तो चलिए हम पहले क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाते हैं। मैंने इसको डाटा लिख लिया है जो हमें अनग्रुप डाटा दिए गए 59, 12, 18, 20, 27, 36, 45. So log of is x here. So I have taken the log of this column, or means corresponding value, or all log values are related to the corresponding values of x column. How I will take this one? Look at this formula, equal log a2. Then after that I am going to drag that up to the cell 9. After that I am going to add this one, and look at this. This is summation by applying the formula summation. So it will be, if you look at the 10.406696 to 9. So there are two methods available to find out this geometric mean of the given set of ungrouped data. First method is geometric mean is equal to multiplying all the values of given and then take the nth root of that values. So number of values in the group data are 8. If you look at this one, there's a count is 8. It means n value of 8. So you are going to multiply all these values which I am going to multiply it here. Product into a2 to a9. This is the product final product of all these values. Then I am going to take the 8th root of this product, so I will get 19.991. This is a geometric mean. The second method is that in this method we are going, here is the formula, geometric mean is equal to anti-log of summation log of xi divided by n. So for this purpose I am going to have established this second column. I have taken the log of x column, and this is equal to 10. Its sum is equal to 10.406696. So log of gm is equal to b10, this one, and divided by f2, this is n. So we will get 19.991, this one, f9. So here I have taken the antilog of these values. How I get antilog of these values? So I am going to apply the equal sign, then 10 raised to power f9. F9 is here. This is the result. So I will get the geometric mean 19.991, which is exactly the same as I have determined in the first method. Now move to the question number 2. Here you want to find the harmonic mean of the given group data, because you see that masses are in kilogram, and I have assigned the label x to this, not x, sorry, this is class intervals, not class boundaries. Later I am going to be converted into the class boundaries if it is needed. Otherwise you can go with the same simple formula. So here is the class intervals: 55.59, 60, 64, 65 to 69, 70 to 74, 75 to 79, 80 to 84. How many number of classes are there? 6 classes are there. Then their respective frequencies are there. Here 3 means that there is 3 number of values or numbers that are lies within this group or this class, and there is a n number of values that are belongs to this group. So add up all this one, so we will get the value of n, which is equal to summation f. How I will get this one? This is x value. X value is obtained by adding the lower boundary at lower limit of this class plus 59 divided by 2. So in this way I am going to getting the x values. In other words, you can say that the x value is the middle point of this all class boundaries, class intervals or class group. Class group is more appropriate for this one. How many class groups are there? 6 groups are there. So after that, as per the requirement of harmonic mean formula, we need n divided by f into 1 by x. So here we will get the reciprocal of the x values by dividing 1 by the respective x values 57, 62 up to 82. So here we will get 1 over x. After that, as per the formula, I need f summation f into 1 over x. And please note that here this summation is not with the n, this summation is with the f into 1 over x. As you know, the summation sign is like sigma, so please use a symbol sigma here. So after multiplying f into 1 over x, I will get this all values, get the sum of this one by applying the sum formula. So here I am going to be divide this n, here n is equal to summation f 40 divided by this this summation. So we will get 68.04629 harmonic mean. Now come to the question number 3, where we are interested to find the fifth decile. As clear from the name, decile means we are going to divide 100 into 10 parts. So here is a group 10, 19, 20, 29. How number of classes or groups are there? 7 classes or groups are there, and their respective frequencies 5, 10, 12, 8, 7, 5, 3, 9.5. And here is a need to convert these groups into the class boundaries. How we will get this? By subtracting the next lower class value by minus the upper class value of the previous class. So 20 minus 19, 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 0.5. So subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and add 0.5 in the upper limit of the every class. So 10 minus 0.5 is equal to 9.5, 19 plus 0.5 is equal to 19.5. Look at the difference. What is the difference between classes or class boundaries? Here is a difference between the lower limit and upper limit and lower limit. So in order to eliminate this difference, we are going to make a class boundaries. Now look at this. The upper boundary of the first class is exactly the same the lower limit of the next group or class. So in this way we are going to construct the class boundaries. Now again we are going to use the same approach x by taking the average of upper limit and lower limit of every class. So we will get this values, and after that we are going to get cumulative frequencies. Cumulative frequencies means 5, 10 plus 5, 15, 12 plus 15, 27, 27 plus 8, 35 up to the last frequency, which 50, and which is always equal to the sum of the frequencies. I am going to show it to here. Look at this 50 and this 50. This is cross check of your sum of the frequency, because it is a cumulative frequency which is always equal. The last value of the cumulative frequency column is always equal to the sum of the frequency column. Now here is the formula: d5 is equal to L low limit plus h over f means cross interval, and f n divided by 10 minus c. C means cumulative class. So n is 50, 5n divided by 10 we have 25. Now we are going to search out the class where this 25 is lies. So here 27, or this is a group 30, 39 and 29.5 is 39.5, where the 25 is lies. 35 also lies, but 27 is a close one, but 15 is less than 25. So we are going to pick up the 27 which is greater than 25 and close to 25. H is 10. Taking the difference to lower class of the consecutive group or classes, so we will get this 10. Look at this 10, 20 minus 10 is equal to 20, 29 minus 19, 10. Look at this class boundaries: 29.5 minus 19.5, 10. 39.5 minus 29.5, 10. So h is equal to 10, frequency is 12. Which value of frequency we have picked up? The the colored group where this frequency is rise 12. I have picked up this value and put it here. C is the above cumulative frequency which has been taken from the CF column. So 15. Now put all these values in this formula, you will get 37.835. This is the fifth decile. I hope you will find this solution useful. If you have any question or query, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.